Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete the image from gallery in Midjourney. So to delete image from your gallery in Midjourney, you have to follow this step-by-step guide to know how to do that. So follow the step, then from there, locate the image in Discord, then open the Discord server where you use the Midjourney bot, then find the message containing the image you want to delete, then react with the X emoji which is on the screen, then add the X emoji or cancel emoji as a reaction to the message. Then this will delete the image from the Discord chat and your public gallery, and wait for syncing. So it may take 15 to 20 minutes for the deletion to sync with the Midjourney web app. Then currently Midjourney does not support direct deletion through its web app, so using Discord is the only way to remove image, and that's it.